From medical devices to 5G networks, from robotics to aerospace, reliable connectors are the backbone of technological innovation. With 20+ years of expertise, ETOP empowers global industries through end-to-end customization. ETOP offers power connectors, signal connectors, and fiber optic connectors meeting industrial, automotive, and military-grade standards. From prototyping to mass production, we customize materials and interfaces for extremes, environments, and precision applications. Customize your industry-specific connectors with ETOP today. Visit our website to power cutting-edge connectivity.